To begin tonight's makeup look, I'm going to start off with one of the Breeze Balm facial mists. It's in Cucumber, absolutely beautiful. Super hot here today, so I'm going in with the Go-To Skin. This is the very mattifying primer, just to sort of get rid of some of that excess shine. I'm going to comb out my brows, just using a clean spoolie one, just to get them into place. And then I'm going to use one of the Ardell. This is their gel brow. So this should just help to keep those brows in place. I may pop a shade into these later on, but for now, I just wanted to put the brows into place before I begin. Using the Youngblood liquid foundation, this one is in the golden tan, and I'm using the BK Beauty. This is the 109 foundation brush. So as I've probably mentioned before, I sell these in my Shop My, and this is my favorite one. There is a larger foundation brush as well, the 101, but I feel with this one, it's a little bit more detailed, really good for getting in around the nose, around the chin, underneath the eyes. It's just a little bit more precise with placing the product on. If you're in more of a hurry, I think the bigger one is better because it has got better coverage. Love these brushes because they are pretty much a combination between a brush and a beauty blender. So they're absolutely perfect for making that sort of really airbrush look with your foundation so it looks super natural. So I'm just making sure I'm getting that little pimple that is on my chin as well. Now this is the Merit. This is their contour stick in the shade Scene. So it's not too heavy in color, but just enough to give myself a little bit of warmth to the face. I feel like I have got a little bit of tan or even sunburn on my chest there. So this just warms up the face and makes it look a little bit more natural. I have gone down at the side of the nose and also the tip of the nose there again to give that sun-kissed look. This is one of the Youngblood. This is a Vivid Luxe Creme Blush, and this is in Pink Prosecco. I'm going with the pinky shades today to really match in with my outfit as I'm wearing that nice pink top. Using one of the BK Beauty brushes, the blending brush, and I've gone in with the Poni Cosmetics. This is one of their eyeshadow palettes, and this is for Blue Eyes. So this is the lightest pink in this palette, and I'm washing that all over the mobile lid. Going in with the darker pink and a more detailed brush and placing it just up into that crease area and into the contour just to really enhance that outer corner and give my eyes some lift. So once again, just placing it into the outer corner and really blending it up and out to create a little bit of lift. And this also creates shape. Going back in with the first brush to just blend off and soften those edges. Now I'm taking that same sort of shade that I used in the beginning with this more detailed brush and running it along the lash line and a little bit of that darker shade just up into that outer corner, again to create some depth to the eyes. With my finger, I'm going in with the shimmer shade. This is like a real champagne shimmer, and I'm placing that right on the ball of the eye just to give a little bit of shimmer to the eye and add some pop to the makeup. I feel like this really just enhances the whole look and brings the eyes out perfectly. So once again, just going in with the blending brush and softening off any of those edges. This is one of the Prometics. I'm loving their eyeliner pencils. They are just gorgeous. This one is in the shade Mulberry, and I'm also using the shade Mulberry in their Prime Lash Mascara as well. So keeping with those nice pinky hues. I love their mascaras too. This is the contour. Oh, this is one of the Maybelline ones. Sorry, I forgot which one I was using. I think it's Youngblood actually, sorry. It's called Celil. And I'm just going over where I warmed up the face earlier just to make sure it's all set. This is the Morphe palette. This is a Cheeky Thrills one. And I'm just using this as a slight enhancement for the blush over the cheeks and just over the nose. And now I'm just going to take out my hair and let's see how it's been sitting. I really hope you like this look. Now I will show you the rest of my outfit. Okay, so this is tonight's outfit. I'm going out for dinner with a couple of my girlfriends. This top is one that I've had for some time. It's by Scotch and Soda. I really love their satin tops. They're really quite pretty. This skirt is just actually a sort of linen blend from Cotton On, so quite a little cheapy. It's a little bit see-through through the back, but nude underwear helps. And the shoes, I've been wearing these. Look, these are Belini. They're in a gorgeous chocolate shade, and I bought this bag to go with my jewellery. These are family heirlooms from my Dutch grandmother. So that's my look.